In one of our earlier videos, I had shown you how to write your own custom functions in Excel using Lambda. We had seen a very simple example then. In this video, we will write another custom function using Lambda. We have two tables here. The table on left is the identification number of approved investments in an organization. And on the right, we have a list of 7 investments for which we need to check if they are included in the approved list. Before we write our own function, let's solve this using regular Excel functions. I will use 3 functions: xlookup, if, and iferror. If you're unfamiliar with any of these, I have videos for each one of them. The links are in the description below. So the first function that I will write is the xlookup function. I will try and return the same investment number if it exists in the approved list. I will begin by writing xlookup. The lookup value is the value in cell C2. Lookup array is the entire list of approved investments from A2 to A101. Since we want to return the investment number itself, if it is an approved investment, we will provide the return array also as A2 to A101. As I close the bracket and press enter, I get the investment number as it is one of the approved investments. In fact, it's the first one. Now I will write an if statement around the xlookup and check if the value returned is same as the investment number in cell C2. If it is the same, then we'll display the text approved investment. So now instead of showing the investment number, it shows approved investment. Now let's say the investment is not an approved one. To simulate that, I will remove the 6 from the first investment number. I get an error. To take care of this error, I will use the iferror function. Go right till the end, and in case of error, we will say not an approved investment. Now instead of the error, Excel displays the message. If I add the 6 back to the investment number, it shows it is an approved investment. Now with this working, let's create a new function for our use. What I like to do is start defining the function without deleting the formula. Now using this, I will write the lambda function. In the cell D2, I will write lambda. The first parameter we'll define is called investment number. This is for the values in cells C2, C3, C4 and so on. The next parameter is the master list, which is the list of all approved investments in the cell A2 to A101. For the calculation, I've already written the function. I will just replace the cell reference C2 with investment number. I'll do this for both the occurrences. Similarly, I will replace the range A2 to A101 with the parameter master list for both the occurrences. And as I press enter, we get the calc error. If you want to test the functionality, you can do so. If you don't know how to test, please see my earlier video on Lambda. The link will be in the description. I will go straight to the function definition. I will copy this function using Ctrl C or Command C. Go to formulas and define name. I will call this function as check investment, and in refers to paste the definition. In the comments, I will describe the parameters. Press OK. I will now write the function check investment. For the investment number, I will provide the cell reference C2. For the master list, I will provide the range A2 to A101 and fix the reference. I get the expected result. We can copy it to the rest of the rows too. This new function is so much simpler to write for those who may not be as proficient in Excel. So that's how you use the Lambda function. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, Analytics Success, for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.